Hey there! Did you know that Greek yogurt is not just a delicious snack but also a powerhouse of health benefits? Today, I'm diving into why you should definitely add this creamy treat to your diet. First up, let's talk protein. Greek yogurt packs a protein punch. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained, making it thicker and richer in protein. Just one serving can give you up to 20 grams of protein. That's fantastic for muscle repair and keeping you full longer. So if you're looking to curb those midday cravings, Greek yogurt is your best friend. Next, let's not forget about probiotics. These are the friendly bacteria that live in your gut and keep it healthy. Greek yogurt is loaded with probiotics, which can aid digestion and boost your immune system. A happy gut equals a happy you. Now let's discuss calcium and bone health. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of calcium, which is crucial for strong bones and teeth. It even helps in preventing osteoporosis. So, if you're concerned about your bone health, a daily dose of Greek yogurt can be a game changer. And guess what? Greek yogurt is also lower in lactose compared to regular yogurt. This makes it a great option for those who are lactose intolerant but still want to enjoy the benefits of dairy. You get all the goodness without the tummy troubles. But there's more. Greek yogurt is rich in vitamins like B12, which is essential for brain health and energy levels. It also contains important minerals like potassium and magnesium that support heart health. Talk about a nutrient-packed snack. Let's not forget its versatility. Greek yogurt can be enjoyed in so many ways. You can add it to your smoothies, use it as a base for dressings, or even as a substitute for sour cream in recipes. The possibilities are endless. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some Greek yogurt. It's not just a tasty treat, but a nutritional powerhouse that can benefit your health in so many ways. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.